don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to get updates immediately. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my version of Spaghettiaglioeolio. It is very easy to make, healthy and most importantly delicious. So let's begin. These are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need some spaghetti, some olive oil, garlic and coriander, butter, salt and some chili flakes. I'm not mentioning any portion size here because that is entirely up to your taste. For example, if you are someone who likes garlic very much in their food, then you can use more garlic than I have used, or if you want your food to be spicy, you can use more chili flakes. But I generally prefer these things in moderation, so that is the amount that I'll be using. And these are the tools that you require. Knife obviously, some metal tongs and a strainer. First, chop the garlic into thin slices as being shown. Next, heat up some olive oil and butter in a pan and add the chopped garlic. Once the garlic turns dark brown, turn off the heat. Now boil some water in a vessel and add some olive oil and some salt to it. And here comes our spaghetti. Now take your tongue and bend the spaghetti stick so that entire length of the spaghetti stick is submerged in the water and it gets cooked. Let it cook for some time and you can check a strand to see if it has reached the desired level of softness or not, and then you strain it. Once you have strained it very nicely, let the last few drops of water fall into the vessel which you had used for making your garlic roast, and then mix the spaghetti in it. Remember not to turn on the flame when you are doing all of this. Now add some salt and some chili flakes to taste. How yummy this looks already. And now the final touch, add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And then you got to show your cool moves and just mix everything all together. Ta-da! Your Spaghettiaglioeolio is ready. Now serve it and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed this yummy and easy to make recipe. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you guys next week. Bye!